This is the Keurig K Duo, and look how awesome this is. This can do both a 12-cup carafe of regular coffee, and this is where you open it to put in your filter, just like that. And this basket is also removable as well. Then you can easily close it. Right here is the time, as you can see, and you can also adjust the hours and the minutes too. And there's the power button, and it shows you to make the coffee or the K-cup pods. And the K-cup pods are on this side. Very simple to use. So what you would do is you would put your K-cup in here just like that. And then put your coffee cup underneath, close this, and then it also has a very large water reservoir in the back. Very nice. And you would pull this so you can refill it with water. Very easy to do. And you can just close it back up just like that. So you click the Keurig cup, then you click 6, 8, 10, or 12-ounce coffee, and then you push the button, and then you're good to go. Simple as that, and look how nice that looks. And now, time for a sip. Delicious. And this is so versatile to use because sometimes you just want a single cup of coffee, but sometimes you may have guests or clients and you need to make a full pot. So thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.